My favorite feature of the Gravely ProTurn 460 is probably the introduction of the new Yamaha 33-horse engine. It's electronic fuel injection, no choke to have to worry about, starts every time. Hot or cold, fresh fuel, stale fuel, doesn't matter. Always ready to go. It's a higher torque engine than the competitive engines. It's quieter, it's smoother. Just an excellent engine. I've seen the internal workings of the engine. It's better built, and we know it's going to bring a lot of value and reliability to our customers.